Oh, where the comb at?
There your ponytail hung around me.
No, the little comb.
Turn around, let me see where your hair is. Your hair long, girl. Turn around.
Yeah.
My hair is.
It's somewhere.
I think they was following Tim. What?
Turn your head around. I want to see where your hair go to.
Crazy.
You get it?
No. Fucking thought I don't know my fucking hair right. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck, bro? Look at this. Why fucking do this shit? This shit gone. Look like fucking. I just fucking blow dry my motherfucker. Fuck. Somebody made my hair straighter than this. Shit fat as fuck. My ass. No, it don't, bro. Look fucking slow. Shit look slow. Who the fuck out the way they fucking out like this? I'm finna cut my hair to a bob. Well, not right now, but if I ever go get a suit press, I'm cutting it into a bob. Fuck no. I feel like a bob would be cute, especially if it had body in it. Like just cut like right here. I feel like it would be cute. No? I never saw it. Let me show y'all.
Huh? You can't tell me something.
So I did it. You know you bad when you can
Like
post
her
from
bob cute.
You know you bad when you can post from any angle.
But not like that. But not like that. I ain't talking about like that. I ain't talking about like that. Let me show you. I just want girl bob. I ain't talking about like that though. I don't. Dang, her story deleted, bro. Her story deleted. Like this, look. Hold on. Yeah, it's a bob like that. That'd be so cute. The side part bob. Side part bob, that should be so fire, bro. Especially if it got body in it and stuff, that should be so cute. This shit need to, this shit need to, what do I need to do to this, bro? I don't know. This shit look like, how come? I think I'm just putting in a ponytail. I did say thank you. I think I'm just putting it in a ponytail. Cause like this shit just. Like, it's not flat iron right. One day, I'm just gonna go get my hair flat ironed by a professional. So y'all can, since y'all wanna see me with a silk press. Because right now, it's not, you know? So I think, it's fire. This is fire. Once I listen, this is fire. Let me go get a brush. Where your brush? Where her brushes go? Nah, what? Cut my hair too bad. I'm gonna do that when I get older. I wasn't talking about now. I'm talking about when I get older. No, bro. Y'all don't like my ponytail? Y'all didn't like how my ponytail was looking? I did. No? I like it. The ponytail's eating. You're tripping, especially when you brush it up. Especially when you brush it up and stuff, ponytail will eat. Then you know how you be like this, just walk around like this? Like, I just gotta brush it. It gives very classy, like a classy girl. Like, it gives classy. Like, it just gives very cute, very classy. I just gotta brush it. It gives quick weave. That's what it gives. You always do that, so I just need to find a brush. Where's that hard brush at?
That's the one I'm having a hard time.
It should be in there.
You know?
Plug.
Buff the edges? No.
I never wanted to leave nothing.
Be still, nigga.
Because nothing.
I said these. You trying to fall over?
No, I don't even know where that brush at. Yo, I am not going nowhere. I'm not about to do all that to my hair, bro. What the hell? Where the hell do you think I'm about to go? I'm about to go to fuck the bed. Fuck y'all think I'm about to go do? Go to the fucking strip club or something? There you got the brush. Oh well. I need the brush, bro. And I should have put it lower instead of all the way up here. I should have put it a little bit lower. My hair is really long though. Like, do y'all see that? I'm gonna put it lower though. So keep it up here. I feel like I should put it lower, a little bit lower. Y'all don't think so? I feel like it should be a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. I don't hear you can do this. I got 3 promos. Yeah. I'm only gonna do one today. Get your daughter. I need some brush my hair. I'm looking for the comb. Which one is it with the big comb? No. Mom, what happened to your big teeth comb? Oh, it's in there. I'm gonna have your fingers. What's that, Nathan? Now, where my lip gloss at? What lip gloss? You had that in, you talking about with that lips on it? You had that in Florida. No, it was in my purse. She probably stressed about the money. Shit. I'm doing it again, bro. One more time. I was moving a lot in the second one.
I wish it was just us in this bitch, but they can't trust us in this bitch, cause I'm trying to bust nuts in this huh?
I'm trying to bust nuts in this, huh? Okay. Hold on. That's what I'm messing up on. Okay.
But they can't trust us in this bitch, cause I'm trying to bust nuts in this huh? Let's keep it.
He just got a haircut. He just sent me a picture. I don't even want to look right now because I'm going on the bus. I'm going on the bus. I'm going on the bus. I don't know, y'all. Okay, let me look one more. No, let me look one time so I can do this. So I get. Oh, why would he send me this picture looking cockeyed? Just pissed me off. But you look good. But you look cockeyed. Y'all, do y'all understand? Boys just be taking pictures, bro. Okay. So not this one.
I
Just
wish
do
it
the
was
second
just
one.
us in this bitch, but they can't trust us in this bitch. Cause I'm trying to bust nuts in this huh? Let's keep it.
This one. Do this one. That one. Okay, what was the caption again? What was the caption? I forgot the caption. So early, I don't know. What was the caption? I know haircut. Me. Pick out little bitch.
What made you pull out stuff?
My man get his haircut.
Nature.
Wait, I didn't just say that though. Me whenever my man get a haircut.
Get that brush out your mouth. Bring Nature.
Me whenever my man get a fresh cut. Me when. Ow! You don't put my pants down.
Now you gonna
She
get
good. She not doing nothing.
Now you gonna get that.
She got the brush. Me whenever my man get a fresh cut. Me whenever my. Should I do me whenever my man get a fresh cut?
You wanna get in the tub?
You've been trying to get up there, did you go? You get up there again. Look out that head.
Just hit her head.
What you get her? Nothing.
You just put straight on her spit. Big butt.
What did I say? Me whenever my me whenever my man get a fresh cut.
Lolly. So, then you look too big for me, naughty baby.
You know.
Wait, what?
Look at that messy stuff.
You said what? She look too big to be my baby. Bree, we don't look the same.
Who that is, though? You ain't got none of them little stars to put on there?
Mm-mm. Why are you in the tub eating Rotel, bro?
That's Lolly. Talking about Lolly.
What should I make my new rate to be for my sound? They want to change it now. Damn, so if I can do
Nature.
16.
Nay.
I can do 16.
Nay. What you get with Bella? Bella Wella?
Like, she's literally in the tub eating Rotel, bro.
Bella helping her out. Look at Bella enjoying.
I did a photo shoot when I had pink on. What?
Why don't you never use NIYAH bathroom?
Huh? No, I was talking about the show.
Get it. Woo!
Start the TV over. May start it.
Mom! I never
I don't know if I ever have a kid. Don't have a kid. Do not. Date. They don't have kids.
She didn't get in here.
Don't have kids, guys. Don't have kids.
Big mama. Big mama. Major. Big mama.
You having 4?
Her nature on the floor.
I feel like people say that until they actually have a
Did I bring my
kid
phone in here?
to understand. But
Was that
it
your
ain't
phone?
hard to raise a kid.
Was that your phone?
Huh?
Did I bring my phone in here?
I don't
Was
know.
that your phone?
That was my phone.
Okay.
I keep telling you I'm already pregnant.
Put her down so I can give her some apple juice.
Like, it ain't hard, but like,
Put her down. Mm-mm.
she wanna keep getting up
Put
there.
her in the tub.
You want me to put her down and you keep letting her come up
But
there.
you want to get in the tub?
She literally got in the tub last night. She's not getting
No,
in the
she
tub.
did.
She did get in the tub last night.
No, she can't.
I put her and one.
Bella keep licking on her. She needs to get in the tub. Move, Bella. Hey, what is wrong with you, bro? Move, get out.
Or is a lot.
Bella, get out. Stop licking on her. What is wrong with you?
Hey. Big mama.
Bella need a cage.
Yeah, Bella do. I'm not sure. They probably got Bella here on.
Go play with Bella. No. Eat it.
Look at Bella.
Why are you closing the door?
Yeah, we're close to Bella. Bye-bye, mommy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Dang, I gotta do this one tonight too?
Rella, Mooney.
Oh, she coming to back. Come on, mommy. Stop closing the door so you can get out.
Bye-bye.
Approve, let me know when, dang, that literally just got approved fast, bro. Okay, let me go post it.
Go in my room.
Let me go post it. That literally just got approved so fast.
I wish it was just us in this bitch, but they can't trust us in this bitch. Cause I'm trying to bust nuts in this high. Let's keep it.
Big mama.
Go like my new post.
Here, comb out your hair, Nature. Stand right here.
Do not comb my hair. If I comb your hair, you're gonna be crying.
You sure?
Yeah, you're going to be crying. So chill out.
Bye.
Oh, you gonna post Disney TikTok? I don't know.
Bye, Nature. I'm leaving you up here. Bye. I got her. I'm fake leaving her. Stop. Bye. Look. Bye.
Go like my new TikTok.
Stay.
Give me a kiss.
Hmm.
Give me a kiss. Give me
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Now this little girl wanna follow me.
You're not put that in your mouth. No.
Nope.
The only thing that goes in your mouth is this.
What? Bye.
Some water. For my belly ring, I don't know. Put a hair on them saggy breasts. You gotta spell it first before I understand. Before I understand you.
I wish it was just us in this bitch.
You don't
but they
dance,
can't
please.
trust us.
You don't dance. You don't dance. You don't dance. You never see her with a pacifier? Girl, this girl. This baby.
She just like every now and then. She said, think about it, put it in her mouth. But then that she'll be girl got no pacifier.
Yeah, the only time I'm gonna start giving her a pacifier is when she's going to bed. Other than that, she don't need no passy. How old is she? She's 10 months. Nature is 10 months. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Tell them hey. Say hey. Say bye-bye.
Wait, bye-bye, Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Tell them bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy.
Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. She ain't talking. That means she's sleepy. When she don't talk, that means she's sleepy. But I'm talking.
Look at this. Keep dinner.
Say mama.
And Mama.
Say bow, 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 bow. Oh, you want to say bye-bye to them? She don't want y'all.
You ready to go bye-bye? Go bye-bye. You ready to go bye-bye? Let's hear it. Come right back in.
No, she just said bye-bye. Bye.
Tell Bella to move out your way, Mama.
She said bye.
Tell Bella to move out your way.
In the comments.
Come here. Let me share it to you. What time is it? Come here. Come on. Come on, Mommy. Look, see if you done hit yourself in the face.
Because she want to keep closing the door. She want to close the door on you.
Come on. Let's go somewhere. You can't fight me. You better not fight me.
You already do good.
The baby.
I wish it was just us in this bitch, but they can't trust us in this bitch, cause I'm trying to bust nuts in this time. Let's keep just us.
Why should I watch off of this? Trying to get you a set. Bro, someone said wash your ass. I did wash my ass. Mama, didn't I wash my ass?
No, I was not.
Stop playing with me. I don't know why she's trying to play with me.
You found the brush? Can I see the brush?
I did it.
Brush my hair. Can I see the brush?
Do I want a husband?
No, you didn't brush.
I don't know. I don't have a brush.
How you brush your hair up and bunch up?
I did it.
She said bye-bye.
She said bye, babe.
Mom, where the brush go? Where brush? Move.
How did y'all want to post at this time? I didn't have a brush.
That's okay, man.
Look at this. I literally didn't have a brush.
Look at. Don't she?
Huh? Huh?
If you don't get off of her, she going fast. Bella trying to jump off. Yeah, Bella, you better leave that baby alone. Your mama gonna get you about that baby.
I farted.
That's nasty. Excuse me, at least.
See her?
Please, like, have some manners.
She gone.
I shouldn't have no manners in my bathroom.
I don't care.
I can fart how many times I
I don't
want
care
in
if
my
you're in the
bathroom.
tub. Have some manners. Other when people around.
Nature.
You shouldn't be in my
Look,
bathroom.
Nature. Telephone, Nature.
You shouldn't be in my bathroom.
I'm just coming here to get the brush to wrap my hair.
Telephone, Nature.
Now watch her because she won't close her hair.
Nature, wherever move.
My girl is a big baby.
She in the bathroom where her mama now.
Tell her bald head, fat head, neck